How many of you know Thomas Alva Edison? Put your hands up. Thomas Alva Edison. What did he do?
Edison, the inventor of bulb.
What did he do? Trick bulb. You know him? He is one of the greatest discoverer of last century. He made more than 1,000 inventions in his lifetime. How many? 1000. कोई को पूछा आप क्या करेगा, वो बताएगा हम डॉक्टर. कोई को पूछा तो वो बताएगा हम इंजीनियर. थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन को पूछा तो वो बताएगा हम इन्वेंटर. क्योंकि नया चीज कैसे काम करता है, कैसे कर सकता है, वो है उसका दिमाग. ठीक है. So if you know how people think, how these genius people think, you can also learn to think, train your child like that. Yes or no? If you know how Thomas Alva Edison got his brilliance like that, you can also train your child like that. Yes or no? Yes. So do you know which school Thomas Alva Edison studied? Thomas Alva Edison किस school में पढ़ना? If you know, if that branch is in Ghaziabad, you can put your child in that branch. Definitely. So do you know which school? हाँ? किसी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा. बहुत, you have to give a clap to him. वो किसी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा. क्या हुआ? उनका 4.5 एज है, साल उम्र है. उसी समय उनको स्कूल भेजा उसना मम्मा. So he had two problems. He can't hear properly. So whatever the teacher is explaining, he can't listen to it properly. पहला एग्जाम था मैथ्स एग्जाम. स्लेट में लिखा 4 3 4, कुछ भी एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन उन्होंने लिखा. क्या हुआ आंसर? एग्जाम फिनिश्ड, मार्क केम. द टीचर रोट 0 out of 100. कितना है? 0 out of 100. स्लेट के पीछे टीचर ने लिखा Thomas Alva Edison, this Tommy is not fit to study in this school. Tommy is not fit to study in this school. What happens if you get 0 out of 100? Depression. What does the father and mother say? They say, अच्छा बेटा, हम party, we will call for a party, सबको celebrate करेगा. Do they say that? Or what do they say? They give a hit. And what else? In my place, parents used to say one, common thing. They'll say, you are good for nothing. Oh, here also they say that. So, you know what Thomas Alva Edison's mother said? This little Tommy went and showed the slate to the mother and asked the mother, Mummy, मैं स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए फिट नहीं है. So the mother quickly said, नहीं बाबा, वो स्कूल आपको सिखाने के लिए फिट नहीं है. He said, you are good enough to study in that school, but that school is not fit to teach you. इसके बाद मैं teach करूंगा. What happens when a child learns with the loving care and attention of a parent? What happens? Confidence. So this child didn't go to school at all. It learned only with mother's love and father's care. So एक बच्चा एग्जाम के फियर नहीं है, सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट क्या है वो पढ़ता है. सो कुछ सिलेबस नहीं है, लाइब्रेरी का चलेगा, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट इंटरेस्ट वो पढ़ेगा. इसके फादर ने बताएगा, ही विल टेल, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड बुक ऑन साइंस. आप इसी को 1 महीने में खत्म करा तो इसको $10 पॉकेट मनी एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा इस महीने में. सो व्हाट हैपेंस टू थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन? ओके, आई विल फिनिश दिस बुक. सो ही पढ़ेगा, फिनिश करेगा. 14-15 ईयर्स में, 14-15 साल उम्र में वो उसका लोकल लाइब्रेरी में 3/4 of the books पढ़ चुके हैं. He completed reading 3/4 of the books in the local library. How many of you know where is the local library here? In Ghaziabad? कुछ लाइब्रेरी है? अच्छा छोड़ दो, स्कूल में लाइब्रेरी है. So आप क्या क्या बुक पढ़ता है लाइब्रेरी में? सब बुक पढ़ता है? सिर्फ आर्ची कॉमिक्स पढ़ता है? So this child which grew up at the age of 17 or 18, he created a research lab for himself where he tried new things. We can talk like this for long, but the key is he did not go to school at all, but he created more than 1,000 inventions in his lifetime.